YouTube? It's your boy Adam 5.0 back with another video. Today we're going to be doing another point of view drive. I'm on the highway right now heading back home. I was out in North Jersey going back home. And yeah, just thought I'd throw on the camera for you guys and just record me driving on the highway. I'll do some pulls and just cut up a little bit. So if you guys want me to talk, let me know in the comments, or if you'd rather me just stay quiet. But I'll try not to talk too much. I feel like if I open the windows, it'll be too loud. Let's see. Yeah, all you guys hear are wind. And you can hear that burble tune. I don't know if this is a cop or not. I don't think so. Nah, it's not. That raw, naturally aspirated V8. It's music. There hasn't really been any like sports cars or anything on the road for me to play with, so it's kind of just been me just sitting here. Just downshift a little bit. coasted gas like crazy, and you know that hit probably took down just like 30 miles right there. Make sure y'all leave a subscribe for me and like the video. Really appreciate it. Growing out this channel a little bit. Started posting a lot recently. Went from like 30 subscribers to like 330 as soon as I started posting a few videos. So if you want to join, you know, the fam, hit subscribe, leave a like on the video, and comment what else you want to see. Because I plan on building this car. It's my 2018 Mustang GT. I want to build it, maybe throw a blower on one day, supercharger or pro charger or something. But yeah, I also take your guys' word. So like, comment what you want to happen, and I'll take it into consideration. And if everybody wants it, then I'll do it. Just you gotta let me know in the comments. I wish there was a long tunnel we could go through. I wonder what it sounds like if I put down the window. I had it. Nah, it's too windy. Probably hurting your ears. Man, Mexico is a beautiful place to be driving. It's where I am right now, Mexico. Don't you dare go over, bro. I hate people who do that. Obviously see me coming and then you get right over. Like, I understand there's someone in front of you. Let me pass you. There's no one really behind me. And go behind me. Some people, man. Get over now, but get over. There you go. Old man, let's see. Yep, old man. Goes in front of me. I gotta slow down. I feel like when you get to a certain age, you should have you have to get your license, like you pass the test again. I feel like, because older people, man, they do not know how to drive, and they be having their license at like 70, 80. Like, just doesn't make sense to me. Careful, they're usually all over this highway. I want to get a video where I get some of my friends that have sports cars, Mustangs or Hellcats or whatnot, and then we all just go driving and cruise together, throw on the camera with a point of view video of that. I feel like that'd be a good idea. And turn into a 2-lane highway.
In 2 miles, take exit 3 for New Jersey 168 south toward Woodbury.
Oops, that's just my GPS. It's got hella tight for no reason. Down for our pool.
Take exit 3.
And I kind of hurt my ears. This exhaust is so loud. I kind of hurt my ears.
In a quarter mile, keep left.
Damn.
Follow signs for New Jersey 168 south Woodbury.
Downshifts crazy. It smells like straight gas from my lung tubes. Where am I going? And that burble. Where the hell am I even going? I'm going this way.
Keep left at the fork.
Hold up my easy pass P. There we go.
Continue on New Jersey 168 south for 3 miles.
Yeah, I like that burble too. Woof, them downshifts too. They go crazy. Alright y'all, but it looks like that's gonna be it for the highway right now. So I think I'm gonna end the video there. Do a little tunnel rip for y'all real quick. Another little tunnel. And that burble too. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like what you watched and you want to see more of this, subscribe. Please subscribe. Leave a like on the video. Comment what you think or what else you want. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.